It is time for the Disney List, taking a look at some of the best and maybe not so great things across the Disney parks from coast to coast. This time around, though, it is all about how to make the most out of your spring break trip to Disney parks. From Disneyland to Disney World, spring break is upon us. What do you do to make it the best? I am here joined by the lovely ones, Katrina Manzone, Tyler Crouch, Garrett Hassel, to share their thoughts on this very important matter. We're going to begin with Tyler. Tyler's going to give us two each for Disneyland, and then we're going to jump around a little bit.
Yeah, okay, so, I mean, spring break, obviously, it goes without saying, it's going to be a crazy time of year. We all know that, understood. I know this might be kind of an obvious one, but I really do think if you want to get the best or the most out of your spring break trip, get there as early as possible. And it's going to be, you're going to be waiting around for a little bit, but I think you'll get a lot of those rides out of the way in the beginning of the day. If you're really all about rides, then that's the only way you're going to be able to do it. I mean, you could go Lightning Lane or something too, but I mean, I think a lot of people are going to have that idea. So I really think getting there early is like more important during the busy times than it ever is. And no brainer, right? But it just remember that it's going to be crazy. So pack your patience and, you know, that's all you can do, really. And
spring break really has become one of those school time off periods where it stretches like 2 months depending on what district you're in and what state you're in. I feel like spring break is relentless in terms of not really knowing when the crowds are going to hit, because one day it could be manageable and another day it could be pandemonium and everybody shows up all of a sudden. So it's a very hard thing to gauge because of spring break schedules all across the country now.
Yeah, I mean, it's crazy. I mean, I know Garrett is going to get into, and Katrina are going to get into Disney World, but I mean, even like out in Disney, or out in Disney World, out in Orlando, I should say, you know, even Universal treats, they do the whole Mardi Gras thing, that entire spring break stretch, and you should see how many people from Louisiana come there. I mean, it's insane, and I mean, they get that whole thing for like a month and a half with just people swarming in there. So they've really learned how to capitalize on it. I think Disney does it with their food and wine, which brings me to my second one, actually, which here in Disneyland, I think one of the best ways to take advantage of your time is to go around and get all the like limited time little snackies that they have, and food and wine is one of the ways you can do it. And also like the Paradise Garden Grill does limited time stuff. So I think that's a great way to do it. I think right now at the Boardwalk, is it pizza and pasta or pasta and pizza? It's pizza and pasta.
Pizza and pasta.
Yeah. At the Boardwalk over there, they've got the
P&P.
The barbecue chicken pizza started on March 1st. Everybody loves a good barbecue chicken pizza.
I know I do.
And you know they got to listen, California Pizza Kitchen isn't that good.
Never has been.
It's never been good.
It's all hype.
And you know what? The thing that they're known for is the barbecue chicken pizza. I bet you Disney makes a better one. I'm just saying.
100%.
I'm just saying. Just saying. But anyway.
You've said.
I digress.
Well, I thank you for that. Disneyland tips there. We turn to Garrett for Disney World tips now when it comes to making the most of spring break. What do you got for us, Mr. Florida?
First thing, utilize Lightning Lane, even though it can, you know, add to the bill. It's definitely going to save you a lot of time and a lot of headaches, especially if you're trying to hit those e-ticket attractions like Tron, especially, or Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind. Utilizing Lightning Lane will help a lot. You know, you can pick which time you get. You don't have to really get up and do like the 7 a.m. half asleep and hope that your phone works with connection. That's happened to me plenty of time. If you have the ability to do it, do Lightning Lane. It'll make things so much simpler, and then go to the park and just go throughout the day until you hit that Lightning Lane. And there's that. The second tip I'd say is don't overestimate how much you can accomplish in a day, because you will be very surprised at how little you can actually accomplish. Trying to be like, I'm going to do 3 parks in one day. No. Honestly, doing 1 park in one day is more than enough. If you're at Hollywood Studios, you know, you could maybe hop over to Epcot for the evening fireworks or something. But I would say 1 park a day is more than enough time. So yeah, you're going to be spending a lot of time waiting in line. So, you know, be patient, manage your time. Don't try and think I can accomplish everything. Enjoy it. Disney World's not going anywhere, so yeah, use the Lightning Lane to get your favorite attraction in one of the 4 parks, and then from there, enjoy the park. Hop in the lines you want to hop in. If there's bad weather, wait for it and a ride closes, wait for that ride to open up. But you don't need to go crazy trying to run around, trying to drive across, because Disney World's big. Trying to drive from MK to Animal Kingdom, that's a 20-minute plus drive depending on how everything is, and then you got 10 minutes to walk in from parking. Man, stay in one park, take your time, try to enjoy it. It's supposed to be a vacation, not a stressful situation. So yeah, just pump the brakes there and enjoy the ride.
Pump the brakes, hit it, and quit it. That's the Garrett way.
That's what we've always said.
That's his philosophy in life.
I stop, drop, shut them down, open up shop.
All of it.
What?
That's how Rough Riders roll.
Oh.
Pop, lock, jam, and break like Martha in High School Musical. Also.
A movie I've definitely seen.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was more quoting DMX, but yeah,
me too.
Martha, she's solid too.
Martha is along the same lines. I always thought.
She's really good friends with Snoop Dogg.
She is.
Yeah, Martha.
Yeah.
I feel like Snoop's friend with everyone.
Yeah.
He knows everybody. Katrina.
Yes.
Thought it'd be fun if you shared one for Disneyland and one for Disney World when it comes to making the most of spring break.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh.
Well, Tyler took one of mine for the Disneyland is getting there early. Because it's going to suck because you have to get there. There's going to be a long line. Don't fret because you'll see it and you'll be like, ugh, I do not want to wait in this. You'll go through the tickets. You're not going to lose any time. And then everybody gets walking through through Main Street. And then you go in the little hubs. And then that's when you can choose between you want to go like left or right type of thing.
Running of the bulls.
The running of the bulls, but you can't run at the parks.
Walk quickly.
You pinch your little peaches and you just walk really fast.
Peaches getting pinched.
you pinch your peach and you go. So anyway,
I want that on a t-shirt.
Yeah.
It's true. Anyway, but I would say that's like a big thing to get stuff done. The bigger tickets like Indiana Jones, Pirates, those type of things at Disneyland, because those are gonna, especially on a busy day, Pirates can be very, very long, along with Indiana Jones, because he's a little temperamental sometimes. It goes down, it goes up, so if it breaks when you are there when you first get in, you get a little pass to come back or go to another ride. So, I mean, it kind of like works.
You got downtime, go on Falcon. It's Tyler's favorite ride.
Probably won't be much of a wait.
Skip that one. Don't. But
You know what I've noticed? Can I just derail for just a second?
Jared.
why did you say this?
I've noticed that on Twitter now finally everybody is on my side.
It's true.
I don't know if you guys have seen this, but there's been like
I have been noticing.
There's been a groundswell all of a sudden of everybody saying, "Tyler, you've been right this whole time."
But
they don't say it like that. They don't say it like that, but that's what they're saying to me.
Yeah.
Anyway, I just wanted to point it out that I've noticed all of a sudden that everybody on Twitter doesn't like this ride, and I just want to say I've been saying that this whole time. Everybody, okay?
He called it earlier.
We can continue on.
Anything else to say, Garrett? Anything else to bring up? No? Good? All right.
But anyway, but with Disneyland also is to also enjoy Food and Wine Festival, but also make sure you make reservations if you want to do dining, because that stuff goes by so fast at Disneyland. 60 days in advance, get it planned, because you can always cancel day of if you need to and not do it. Or there's things that pop up that you may want to change to, right? So brunch at Lamplight Lounge, that thing is gonna go by so fast. So make sure you just make your reservations far in advance. Even if you don't think you're gonna do it, book it. Then you can cancel it later.
Do it. Book it.
You know what I mean? Because you always, like, there's some people that go, I don't know if I really want to do this, but I don't know. And then it's too late. It's gone. Over.
Just like that.
Over. And then you're sad because you could have made a reservation and now you're like day of trying to find a wait list or something.
And that was going to be a memory and you missed out.
And you ruined it.
Whoa.
Anyway, so then let's hop over to the east.
Okay.
Ready?
Off we go.
Whoop. And we're going to do...
Japan.
Yeah.
The east.
The east. We're going to go to the Flower and Garden Festival.
Oh. Not that far east. Okay, gotcha.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. It's my favorite. My favorite festival. It's so beautiful. It's gorgeous. It's from, February 28th to March 27th. It is so long. I love it. The topiaries are gorgeous. You can go there to Epcot all day and then just look at the topiaries.
Yeah,
eat
the
the
Groot one.
foods, look at the beautiful butterflies because there's actually like a butterfly walkthrough, and then
Beautiful butterflies.
yeah, and then it's just so much fun. So enjoy it because like all the flowers are blooming. You go to like Italy and stuff, and then you'll see like all these like beautiful flower arrangements that are just like so abundant. Then you go back to like food and wine or something, and then you go, where did all the beautiful flowers go? It's crazy.
I'm just gonna have some wine. I'll be
I'm just
fine.
gonna have some wine and look at the water. I don't know. But Flower and Garden, coolest thing you could possibly do. Even, I mean, maybe for the young kiddos it may be a little boring, but you know, if you're like a teen or whatever, it's fun to like see the topiaries and whatnot.
I always feel like it's some of the best ones.
Get the slush that has the flower on top of it.
The slush
Like the
with
violet
flower.
lemonade. Love that. Or the lavender lemonade. That's
Oh yeah,
Where do you get that?
the island.
You're going to get that by the entrance of World Showcase if you had the incorrect way of going to Canada first.
Okay.
That's why we never.
So
go.
I don't get to get it until the end because I have to
We
go.
go to
I go
Canada.
the right way, so I
Yeah.
can't get it until
We go
I have
to
to go.
Mexico.
I have to go all the way through first.
If you go through International Gateway
Okay,
and
fair.
you start heading the correct direction towards Mexico, you'll pass it. You just close your eyes at Canada. You don't look that way until the very end.
See, it's funny because when we do the International Gateway, we'll go to England, grab something, and then we'll probably just go to France and then go the other way to Mexico because there's like more food options when you go that way. So you can drink and
You
eat.
forget about
That's what the
Great
gateway
White
does
North.
to you.
It's really funny.
And quick correction, you said March. I know you meant May.
Oh, May, yes, May 27th,
yeah.
not March.
I was like 1 month long. That's
Even though when I was like, it's so long, and they're like, yay, a month.
The
Yes.
longest.
May 27th.
I will be out there myself in a couple of weeks. I can't wait to drop in. It's been a while
jealous.
since I've been to Flower and Garden.
Oh, so pretty.
Favorite time of year.
I love it. It's like my
Yes.
favorite. It's my favorite festival.
Yeah, that weather alone is usually just the perfect combination
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
of cool, warm, and then when you're surrounded by that natural beauty that they bring in with all the topiaries. Such a great time of year.
I love
I like
it.
the orchids in Mexico. That's always like how they have the orchids on the trees.
Yeah,
It's so
those are really
beautiful.
Yeah,
pretty.
that's really
Colors.
cool. That little hidden
walk through.
walkway with the little orchids all everywhere. It's beautiful.
That's a good little trick. Yeah, that's like a little tip
'Cause
right
it's 'cause
there.
you go the correct way and you see it.
That's right. That's the correct. You don't go up the
Venture on.
stairs. You go up the ramp.
That's right.
Crazy
Yeah,
people.
stairs
And
are
don't
for
climb
chumps.
the pyramid. Don't climb it.
Please don't climb.
Don't
the
climb
pyramid.
it.
Yeah.
It's not worth it.
Yeah, stay off the pyramid.
Yeah.
Well, great tips from Disneyland to Disney World. The team sharing with you some of the ways to make spring break spectacular for you this 2024. What tips do you have? We would love to hear from you. As always, drop them down in the comments.